friends, I welcome you all to my next vlog. Today I'm in Sharjah, Bushagara, so I'm going to Buhaira Cornish, exploring Cornish, Buhaira for you all. It'll be fun because the weather is pleasant, I'm loving it and you all will be loving it too because it's a beautiful place. I'll show you all. Let's go! Okay guys, as you can see that I've already reached the Buhaira Cornish. It's this beautiful view you can see on my backside. These buildings, these towers are looking awesome. I know that our light is not actually suitable for the video, but as of now I can still vlog for you guys. You can see this is a beautiful place. The Cornish is so long. There's a runway, morning people do come here for running and all. So right now it's time to actually explore this Cornish. So let's go. These birds are also enjoying a lot. I mean, you can see these birds, they're enjoying a lot. This weather is awesome, and you can see there is an artificial fountain there. You can see if you can, yeah, that's right. There's a fountain there. You can see there's an artificial fountain. There's an island here. You can see there's an island. There's a pathway to that island. There's a little bridge here. You can see that bridge. The people are going around. I mean, on the other side through this. But it's a park. It's a beautiful park. You need to have a ticket for that to go into there. But as of now, it's time to show you the Buhaira Cornish. So come with me. I'm exploring Buhaira Cornish. Okay, guys. I have just seen. There's a restaurant, there's an open restaurant. I've already told you that I really like this concept, this open restaurant concept. There is an open restaurant. You can see the people outside having food, enjoying their food, enjoying the view. There's a beautiful view on the other side of this restaurant. You can see the beautiful view and the beautiful restaurant, open restaurant. You can actually see that how people are enjoying on their weekends. It's a weekend actually, and people are enjoying it. Guys, I just want to tell you that when you come to this place, you have a chance, you have an option to go for these cycle rides. These are cycle scooters, whatever you call them. These are actually you have to pay some dirhams for that, and then you can enjoy. Actually, you can you don't need to walk. You can just go on a cycle and enjoy the whole corridor. See, this boat is here. You can actually pay them, and they'll take you for a ride here all over the place. It's so beautiful to see all around here. The golf course, it's an artificial golf course, but you can see people playing golf. See, lovely. The music is awesome. I hope you can hear it because it's on the background of it. Yeah, that's right. You can see. I'll show you the view of the golf course. Just a minute, full view. I want to see this. Sure. This place is mesmerizing, this place is awesome, and I am loving it here. Your Adil, your host, not a host, I am your bro, I am your, whatever you want to call me. I love you guys, I'm enjoying it. This is a beautiful thing that I have done to make these vlogs. Actually, I'm loving it, guys. I hope you're also loving it. Let's go. You guys, as of now, I'm gonna show you the overview of this whole place. There are some stalls that have been built. They are like I think temporary, but as of now they are not started, all of them, but some stalls have been started. So let's go and see what all they offer. Hey, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Jeline.
You're from?
From Philippines.
Philippines, wow. I already told you that Filipino people are very nice, and she said hi, and she's ready to talk. I just want to just give us a little bit idea about this. What is this Monkey Bites?
This is Monkey Bites. We all have Kinder and Nutella and Brown.
So different flavors for kids especially. All right?
Yes.
Okay, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for talking to us.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right. Okay, guys, let's go. Fresh juices. As of now, I cannot find any person here, so it's time to carry on with the vlog. But there's a beautiful stall here called Belgium Waffles. Okay, guys. Hi.
Hi,
You're from
Nepal.
Nepal. What's your name, bro?
Santosh.
Santosh from Nepal. Say hi to Nepal.
Hi.
This will be on YouTube, my channel, so everyone will be seeing it. So any message to your Nepali brothers and sisters
Stay safe.
in your
Very good.
Nepali language? Say something.
राम्ररी बस्नु होला.
Sorry.
राम्ररी बस्नु होला सबैलाई.
And in English now?
Stay safe.
Stay safe. Wow, what a message from our brother from Nepal here. One more brother is here. Hi, bro.
Hi.
What is this? What is your name?
My name is Praveen Tamang.
Praveen Damang from
from
Nepal.
Nepal,
huh?
yes,
Wow,
I'm from
Nepal.
Nepal.
So something tell us about Nepal. What is Nepal famous for?
Mount Everest.
I think
And
Mount
Lumbini.
Everest is there, right?
Yeah, Mount
Oh,
Everest
have you
and
ever
Lumbini.
tried to climb Mount Everest?
No.
No, why not, man? You should always go for it, nah? You're from
Yeah.
Nepal?
Yes, I'm from Nepal.
People from all over the world come to come climb Mount Everest, and you're not going there.
Yeah, but just I see that Mount Everest, but I didn't try to
Oh,
climb.
you're scared of climbing mountains?
No, just like this one.
All right, no problem, brother. I'm just kidding.
Okay.
Just tell me something about this. What is this Belgium waffles?
Belgium waffles is like a bread, and we have a pancake. This is all sweet item.
Sweet items,
Yes.
exactly. All right, guys, I'll all tell you guys. Especially Light Festival is going on. Come to Sharjah, enjoy this. Enjoy with these two people. They're very beautiful people and from Nepal. Thanks a lot for talking to me. Bye. More stalls there. It's yet to start. Hi, guys. Hi. Yo. Wow, I find this guy. Yo. I love this man. So do it again, man. Wow, what is that?
Hardcore.
Hi.
Hardcore.
Hardcore. Okay. You're from?
Philippines.
Philippines, lovely. So many people are from Philippines. Guys, you better come to this place and enjoy the things. There are some potato chips. There are some cakes and karak. Karak is a chai. It's a beautiful and a lovely chai. We always have it. Karak is a chai. Just for some one or two dirhams, you'll get it. 3D burger. You must have seen 3D videos, but I'm going to show you 3D burger. You can see this. 3D burger. Right? Wow, that's lovely. Let's go, guys. Enjoy. It's an open restaurant. I'll always love to go to these places, sit, hang out, enjoy. Lovely. There's one friend. I will just talk to him. Hi. Assalamualaikum.
Hi.
He's in a kurta looking so beautiful. It's Friday. What's your name, bro?
Luqman Khan,
Luqman Khan. You're from? Which place you're from? आप कहाँ से?
Peshawar.
पेशावर पाकिस्तान. Wow. Any message? कोई message देना चाहते हैं पेशावर पाकिस्तानियों को? दुनिया को message दे दो यार. पाकिस्तानियों को खाली क्यों? पूरी दुनिया को बोलो. क्या कहना चाहते हैं पूरी दुनिया से?
ये शारजा दुबई बहुत खूबसूरत जगह है और
आप भी यहाँ पे आ सकते हैं. आप भी यहाँ पे
हाँ.
एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हैं. आप यहाँ पे जॉब करते हैं कि
नहीं.
अभी ऐसे ही चक्कर घूमने के लिए आए हैं?
घूमने के लिए
घूमने के लिए आए हैं. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया हमसे बात करने के लिए. Thanks a lot. Enjoy. Okay, guys, it's so beautiful to talk to them. It's so beautiful to talk out there. I mean, all of them were very nice from Nepal, Philippines, so many different places. Fish all over the world. People are watching this. I love you all, and I just want to tell you that please subscribe so that I can bring more videos to you guys, so that I can bring more entertainment to you guys and make this as a family. All of the subscribers who have subscribed, I'm so thankful to all of you, each one of you. Please do write your comments, do write your suggestions for what I need to improve on, because I'm really new to this. So on this note, I'd like to say goodbye to all. Stay blessed. Bye bye.